Dito. Speedrun ka na, no? Oh, okay. Bala na kayo.
Saan? I can see. Ayun.
Ba't kasi IKEA?
Iris. Parang ano,
Wala,
2008.
naglag ako. Hello?
Hello. Bye guys.
Bakit walang nakita?
Oh, hi, Rain.
May
Sorry.
flashlight pala. Ano kaya?
Ay.
Where am I?
Ah,
Era?
Ang ano naman ng convenience store, walang laman. Tsaka ang laki.
Inconvenience store.
Inconvenience.
dahil walang
Wala pa pala tayong camera.
Wala pa po.
may video.
Hindi naman ni ate. Alright, let's go.
Okay, I think I'm remembering.
Look. Alright, isa-isa lang. Huwag mo na i-activate yung cutscene. Okay. Umalis na siya. Sayang. Hindi nakita ng iba. Rain, where are you?
Parang
Oh,
tanda
hello.
ko to.
So loud.
Wala na, umalis na yung monster.
What monster?
That TV guy. Picture.
Uy, notes. Don't move. At malabo, kailangan. Basa nyo ba? Malabo sa akin.
Oh, baby.
Uy.
Ang laki ng mga chairs. Ano yan?
May code ako, wait lang.
Ano yan?
Password, wait lang. Yun. Alright. Bye-bye. Oh, shit. Sorry.
Iniwan na lahat, eh, maliban.
Ate Iris. Iniwan niyo kami?
Naglalag ba sila
Iiwan
sa akin?
talaga yan.
I am? Nalog ako, di nga.
Stop breathing my air!
Lo,
Safe zone.
Safe zone.
safe zone.
Receive.
Alright, kailangan ko ng code ABC for letter, number. 4 number
What is
codes. Sabihin nyo kung
Uy, ang kita mo. Ako wala.
Don't worry about it. Basta maniwala ka sa akin. Yung kung may purple doon na ilaw, huwag nyo nang sundan. Bebe, narinig ko sarili ko. Okay. Baba ka doon.
Oh, that's purple. Oh, that's really purple.
Tabi ka doon kay ate. Minute mo? Sige, pwede na yan. Hindi.
Naririnig ako.
Wala pa nga. Hinahanap pa nga namin.
Ate,
B9. Oh, shoot. Guys, B9 yun. It's chasing me.
I'm gonna die, what the
It's chasing
Ano yun?
me. It's chasing me.
B9. Okay.
That's what I said. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Kaya nga.
Okay, thank you.
C7.
Six,
C7.
C7.
C7? Ano yun?
May umabol sa akin?
Oh,
Don't worry about it. It's a big pet.
ulin mo nga.
No.
What the heck is that?
It's my pet.
Get your dog.
Tapos na to. Hindi pa to tapos. I think I'm gonna die before I finish this.
Dyan, ako.
Isa na lang, isa na lang.
Wala lang.
A2.
Isa na lang, wala pang A and B.
A2.
B7, ito yung B B6 ata yun.
B9.
B6 or B9.
Oh my god,
B9,
I just
okay.
said B9 kanina. It's fine. Oh look, C7. Oh
Ano
look,
yung D?
wala pa po. Oh, you know what?
Di ba pwede hulaan?
Hulaan na lang
Hindi,
natin.
isa-isa ko nga.
Alright.
1 to 3. Ay, hindi. 5. 6. Huh?
Pwede patingin.
Ba't mali? A2, B9, C7?
Pag namatay tayo, mag-a-alive tayo. A-alive. Is that you?
Mabuboy ulit.
Baka.
Alright. Kailangan hanapin.
Tabi tayo.
Tubig, naglagay ka na ba?
Ay, mga pal.
Di pa po.
Bakit sila nagpipindot?
B9.
Ano naman yan? Oh my gosh.
Uy, pindot ng ano?
Ayoko na.
Patingin? Patingin?
Iniisa-isa ko yung room.
Hindi, baka
Di ko
ayaw
ma-
na niya yung phone.
Hindi ko ma-access.
Wala dito. Ayun! Found it.
I see.
Era, usog ka, Era?
I played this game
Excuse me
before.
po.
Alright, D5. Oh, shoot. D5, D5.
Okay na, open na.
Alright, pasok na kayo. Busy si Era.
Oh my God.
Come on, speedrun, speedrun. Ew, ew. Hindi pa na lang inano. Pindutin nila na.
Guys, where are you?
Alis na kami.
Kuya,
Oh.
iniwan niyo ako.
Oh.
Hindi yan, dito ka, oh.
Iwan ka na. Bawa ka naman.
Sipahin kita mamaya, ya. Wala ka dyan. Sipahin kita mamaya.
Okay. Ano sabi sa ano? Sign?
Go,
Ay!
get better.
Don't.
Nahulog.
Not.
Oh!
Go.
Oh!
Oh, okay
It gets
guys.
not
Una na ako.
worse, better.
Tawag dito.
Nothing is better. To you.
Ayun, may advice ako dito. Don't stop running. Okay? Okay.
It gets better.
Alright, 1 out of 4. Kailangan natin maghanap ng 4 buttons. Can you guys help me find 2
Era, sama tayo
buttons?
dito, Era.
2 na lang.
Nakita ko isa.
Alright.
Ay,
Pindot
Hindi
mo
pala.
ha.
Oh, ito yung mimik.
Mayhaps.
nagugulat ako.
Wait, hindi. Eventually na pala.
Nakita ko sarili ko. Ano ba yan?
Nakita
Dami
ko
nito.
si Cheska, nakita niya si Cheska.
Nakita niya at ay,
Uy, sino ka?
sarili.
Ito ang
Gulat.
habang sa akin. Sarili ko. Di ako pwedeng bumalik.
Yep.
Uy, Era, ikaw ba yun?
Yeah.
Ikaw ba yan?
Yeah.
Paano kung makasalubong ko? Pwede ba akong may makasalubong?
I'm
Uy!
gonna go.
Sarili ko!
Oh. Wait. Oh.
Pag ako nakita ko sarili ko, alam niya na gagawin ko.
Nakita ko si Ray! Gagi!
Pag nakita ko sarili ko, malalaman niya, makikets niya.
Lah,
I'm gonna stop playing if I see myself.
Pikit
Alam mo,
lang,
kaka
hindi mo
yung
makikita
mga
sarili mo,
katakot
nakapikit ka.
Yeah, babe. Pigit ka lang. Close
I'm
your
closing my eyes.
Alright.
Every time I
Isa
say
na
it,
lang. Isang
turn
bottle na lang.
around.
Oh, tapos na. Alright. Find the
Got it.
elevator.
Era, ikaw ba yan, Era?
Is the elevator in the corner?
Ay, di
Hello.
I'm checking... Elevator, di ba? Tapos na lahat, di ba?
At
Yeah,
step.
That's evil Subaru.
Another step.
Elevator.
step.
Somebody find the
Uy!
elevator.
Uy!
nandiyan, si Ray, nandiyan.
Uy, si Rin.
I'm just following at the step.
Narinig ko namatay si Cheska.
Si Ray ba yung tumatakbo sa harap ko?
Hindi, kuya ka. Ay. So yun kaya?
Rah! No. No?
Ito pala yan yung
Naman yun?
sinusundan ko kayo. Oh, yun naman. May ikot-ikot na tayo.
Check ko lahat ng corner.
Namatay ako.
Nandito sa labas.
Alright, wala sa corner yung elevator. Nasa...
Yep.
Gitna, I think.
Parang pagitna.
Yeah. Check ko lang lahat ng corner, wala eh.
I'm good with directions. Hold on.
Alright.
Kuya, wait lang!
Wala ka dyan.
Kuya naman eh.
Wala ka dyan. Bye-bye, bye.
It's gonna take forever.
Be, hanapin mo rin, be. Huwag mo kasundan. Huwag ka matakot.
Oo.
Pinatay ka ni Stefan.
Step yun!
Ako talaga sinisisi
Ayaw ko
ah.
na lum...
I have video proof that you killed us.
Lo? Ako na naman!
Oh.
Kapala.
Uy. Yung mimic ko tsaka mimic ni Cheska magkasama.
Ah,
What the heck?
kadiri.
Kantutan ko kaya yan.
Pati mimic.
Pati may...
Nakita ko na!
Alright. Hintayin mo
Pumasok ka
kami.
na.
Hintayin mo kami para masaya. Okay. Never mind.
Hindi ko pala nakita sarili ko.
It was not meant to be Rain. Canon.
There's only one Subaru.
Whatever he says. Something. And
Hehe.
Peter.
Pretty scary.
Oh, ano sabi? You're safe here. Okay.
no, we're not. Guys, want some things?
No, we don't want anything.
Nakalock yung elevator.
Here, you want something?
No, we don't want anything.
Let me give you something.
Well,
Let me tell you something.
Yeah.
Here, you want something?
Yes.
I would like something. Pabili ng something.
Ito. Can you get this thing off my hands?
Ooh. Uy, nasa convenience
Kita ba?
store tayo? Wait, hindi.
Yung?
Kita ba na hawak?
Kita na hawak ko.
I have thing. You see this thing?
Oh. No, I only see my thing.
Patingin?
Your thing is
May
small.
hawak akong ting.
I can see your thing. Your thing is small.
I can see your
Wala
ting.
kang hawak.
I'm holding a thing.
I'm holding a ting.
Yeah, I'm holding my thing.
Ay,
I am holding a ting.
Ay,
You're
nako.
holding your thing?
Nagko-compare pa talaga kayo ng ting.
Yeah, my ting is bigger
Here,
than him.
who has the better thing?
I don't have a ting.
Oh.
Sigmund Freud once said
Tang,
that a
ina.
thing is the best thing that can happen to a person.
I'm stuck.
That's what she said.
Ba't di ko magalaw sa ate? Try.
Dito
Ay,
ako, wait lang.
Okay.
I'm gonna stop for a bit because my pinky hurts from last one.
Yep.
Oh, Rain, kailangan natin nilagay ang ting dito.
Saan?
Sa
Where do I put my
banda,
ting?
banda entrance.
Ay, gago. Seryoso?
Hold
Yeah,
on.
put your thing here and compare. Let's compare.
Ano yung...
Have you found another thing?
You remember who you're playing with, right?
Yeah. Come here. Say it here, thing.
Hold on. Where's your thing? Oh, there we go.
Okay, we're getting in. Yaman na
Yep.
sila. You just stop running. So your pinky doesn't hurt. Or use your foot.
Good idea. I'll use my third leg.
Go, back mo.
Like. Tata yung mannequin?
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 Queen?
Mannequin?
Mannequin.
Ah, no.
Da-da-da-da.
Safe zone. Another safe zone.
Ah.
Alright. Everybody for themselves.
Too bright.
Ano lang to eh.
Too
What?
dark.
Hanapin lang yung exit. Tapos yun lang.
Oh, that's so easy, but...
Sorry.
I don't like it. I don't like it.
Wait.
Look how big
I don't
this
like
place
it.
is.
I don't like it.
Yeah,
Ah.
back. Do you
Why?
remember this one?
They do love you when I love you.
Maybe?
Maybe
Wait.
this time.
They do love me when I love you.
You don't?
You love me.
I remember this.
I don't know.
Oh, wala.
Sumusunod ba sa akin? Wala. Wala na sumusunod sa akin?
Eh, di ko nakita kung nasaan.
Alright, then everyone's gonna get lost. Good luck.
Dead end.
Or baka mauna kayo, hanapin niyo yung... nahanap ka na.
Yun tayo galing eh.
Yep, I'm here. Hintayin ka na lang kaya?
Wow.
Sabi niya kung sirit na...
Yung ano?
Yung elevator.
Ba't sumisirit yung elevator?
What? What?
It's a solid. Right?
Ah, yes. No, I said... Oh, come on.
Huh? Ngayon nasirit ngayon, come on.
Come on, turn the radio on.
Come on, come on. Come on, baby. I'm in the mirror.
Alright.
I don't have to body already.
Binabasa ko lang. Flak, 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 flak.
Nagsend na pala ako ng streak. Alright.
Ako ba? Nagsend na ba ako ng streak? Oh,
Hey! Oh, start na nila.
Hi, what's up?
gugulat naman ikaw.
I'm not doing that.
Ay. I'm not standing by. Sino hindi gumagalaw?
dito malon.
You didn't know?
I didn't know.
Di pa alam niya?
We didn't need it. Let me out.
Safe ba dito?
May ups.
Kailan ba nag-receive ang school?
I remember this. I think.
Alam ko to eh. Dahil to sa Avid eh.
Don't
Oh, okay, tandaan ko to.
Don't move. Do not move.
Donut move?
Alright, yeah.
Why would
don't-
donuts move?
Tapos paano yung
Gulat
eye?
naman ako.
You can turn around, but wag mo siya titignan.
Okay.
You can turn around, but you cannot move.
Turn
Biglang tatlong
around.
cards, diba?
Every night I like a little bit turn around.
Wait ako yung S. God damn.
I didn't even look at it.
Patay ka?
Huwag ka gumalaw.
Huwag ka gumalaw.
Sabi mo eh, kuya eh. Sabi mo, tumingin.
Dalawa kasi yan.
Oh.
Yung isa, wag mo titignan.
Pwede ba dito?
No.
May na-open ako, may napulang lever.
Uy, pwede naman dito eh. Ano ka ba? Sabi mo no.
Oh, I mean, kala ko
Less may
pwede
napul na
ano.
may napul
Pwede
akong
magtago.
lever.
Sorry. Oh, it's the yellow one. The yellow door. God dang it.
Ano ba yan? Kakaano ko lang.
Ciao.
Hindi ma-open.
Damn, Rain, nasa ka?
Sa likod.
And you're back.
Kala ko nauna ka. Why am I stop? Why did I stop talking? Dami yan! Oh, wala dito. There's nothing here. How fun.
Ah, she.
Damn, everyone's so focused.
Kaya don't look and
Parang may gusto kang mamatay.
Again, we're not getting content.
Yeah, we're not getting content. Come on. Sino? Ano
No
nangyari?
content, guys. What the heck?
What happened?
There's nothing there anymore.
Alam ko na kung paano bumalik ko mabilis.
Ano to?
Hey, what's up, man? And I'm back.
Oh, nahanap ko na yung elevator.
Really?
Go.
Oo.
Pasok ka na. Layo pa namin.
Pasok na nga.
Nice. I'm a neck hurt. Neck hurt.
You're what?
Neck hurt.
I can't say that.
Yes, yeah. It's my neck.
No, you can't.
Tara, swimming.
Sure, go ahead.
One take one to...
Kento.
Kasi umulan.
Ano ba yan dito?
Natin.
Uy, may key. May nakuha akong key.
Nice.
Weh.
Oo nga.
King Kong.
Oh my god.
We need 7.
May nakita ko doon.
Yung window ah.
Open ko na. Na-open ko na. Na-open ko na.
Oh, for real?
Oo.
Okay.
Sabi sa'yo, may nakuha akong key eh.
Yo, akala ko 7 keys. The heck?
Oh,
Nasa taas yung baba. Ayun,
sa
come
baba
on.
yung taas.
Oh, Sarah yun. Iniwan mo si Kuya Rain. Tatampo na yan.
Wala sa kung sinong ano, sino i-kick sa server.
Episode 1 pa rin to.
Kick ko si Les.
What? Ano yan?
Uy,
This looks familiar actually. Now that I think about it.
Eh.
I think.
Ah, telepono.
Telepono.
Hello. So the first night isn't
Moshi
usually that
Mosh.
bad.
Ah.
Ito yung telepono. May tumatawag sa telepono.
May gusto ko sabihin pero bawal ko sabihin.
Bakit bawal?
Tunog ba yun ang hayop na nangangailangan ng tulong?
Oh, pumasok na sila.
Uy,
Wala ng telepono.
di ako yun.
Bebe,
Hindi
ba't
ako
ang
yun.
kinikip? Oh, hindi daw siya yun. Alright, next episode.
Hindi naman ako yun eh.
That's episode
Sure,
1.
Yes. Ano to? Automatic to.
Jesus.
Hindi na siya no need to leave.
I'm barely like holding my eyelids up.
Why?
Pinky up.
I just scream.
This game contain flashing lights. Yun lang nabasa ko.
May jump scare daw dito.
Wala naman.
Wah!
Ah, bawal tumakbo. Ay, una kayo guys.
Oo.
Ah, bawal
Titik ko
Oo, walang pwedeng tumakbo.
That's what I said.
Sabay tayo. May kumakanta.
Wala ah.
Uy, namatay yung generator. Hey,
Oh,
Rob.
nagbukas.
We're fine.
Papatuloy talaga yung tablet ko.
I get it.
Nakakatakot.
Take it. Tulog na si Rain. He has fallen asleep.
Wakey.
Wake. Sabi,
Don't, I can't read.
don't get lost. Alright.
No, ang baba ng graphics ng akin. Teka.
One over.
Ako lang ba? Malabo talaga yung nakalagay sa papel. Di ko makita.
Ah, ikaw lang ata. Nabasa ko don't get lost.
Don't get ko.
Nako, malabo yung akin. Hoy, sino yan? Sino yan?
That's me.
Bakit ulit?
That's me. That's me.
That's not me.
No, yun nasa harap ko. It's me. No.
Gregory, you're my superstar.
Ray, makita ba't sarili mo dito?
Where?
Ano yun ba?
Where?
Hindi kita marinig. Yo, Stephanie, stop following me.
Uy, hindi ka si Rin! Hindi ka si Rin! Hindi ka si Rin!
Oh.
Yan na yung ano.
Okay, natakot
Yan na
ako sa inyo
yan,
dalawa.
season 2 na yan. Season 4 Subaru
Nandun,
na yan. Hindi na yan ako. Hindi na yan ako.
Nandito,
Oh,
nandito, nandito.
Season 4 Subaru.
God damn.
Oh, hindi ka yun!
No.
Rain,
Ayan na.
why have you done this to me?
Uy, sa likod nyo.
Oh! Wala kasi ano yun? I thought that was him.
Yan na yung ano. Si Demon Subaru. Ako talaga yan.
Ay, si Stephanie! Stephanie na
Lord, I'm one. Lord, I'm two.
Rain.
Uy, hindi ka yan, Rin!
Oh.
I got chainsawed.
Natapos mo bago mo yan, ano? Before you died?
Yeah, I
Alright.
did it.
Uy, ba't tatlo kayo? Ba't tatlo yung list?
Oh, gangbang. Got it.
Ang dami nyo!
Wait, I'm the real one. No!
Sino yung real?
Oh, yung nagka-crouch
Tapos na,
papunta
tapos
kay
na.
Rain kanina.
Oh, kala ko ba yun?
That's not me.
Kala ko
Alam
siya yun
mo?
kasi nakasunod lang siya sa atin.
Yan, nilaplap. Kinagat ang dila.
Ay, naman.
Uy, open na yung exit, oh. Sa likod.
Ang
I'm
layo.
back.
Ang layo pa baba.
Oh my god.
Stairs.
Tumambas na. Pagbalik ko tapos
Crush, 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 crush.
Hindi ko nakita sarili ko.
Hindi ka naman, Bert.
Puro ako. Mel. Yung...
Hmm.
Yung...
Hello? Alida.
Alright, ano to?
Oh,
Safe.
nanda ka to.
We're safe here.
I don't remember these guys.
Kuya, parang nasa
I
airport.
don't remember these.
Amnesiatic talaga yun si Rin.
Yeah.
Ante.
I need to
Oh,
get over
shit,
there
no.
somewhere.
Tahin na ko to. Tare da.
Sino yun?
Or something, I don't know.
Me.
Oh,
A reason.
I found the door. Is this the mall?
Ayun na.
I remember this.
Ah, ito na. Hahabulin na tayo dito.
Ito yung aakit, di ba?
What
Oo.
the? What is this? What is this?
You don't
Ito
remember
yung
this?
tandaan ko.
I don't remember these.
Baka siya, ito yung wala siya nun.
Subaru, you got to remember.
I can't. I don't know. Who?
It's okay.
Who
You're
is-
still Subaru.
Natsuki Subaru. Ay, sorry. Kapag na pala. Who is Subaru Natsuki?
You're not safe.
You're not safe.
Alright, let's
Yeah,
go,
I know.
let's go. Bye-bye.
Where's
What
my
do you mean
camera?
we're not safe?
It means...
Oh.
Oh, wait.
What?
You're not safe.
Hi.
Knows where you are.
Do you remember this guy?
Ciao.
Hell no.
Uy!
kuya.
Don't worry, babalik yung elevator. Ooh, look, it's dark. It's mist.
This game has a lot of loading screens.
Yes. Kasi kada load, kada can't speak? Alright, wag na lang. Alright,
Oh, mannequin, mannequin!
guys, split up. Hanap kayo ng light switch. Turn me on like a light switch. Hindi ko alam kung ilan daw.
Gagay!
Light switch.
Pick up run!
You turn me on like a light switch. Huh? Ah!
Are you safe?
Ano? Ano pa
Sige.
yan?
Ako pa sinisi. Wala dun.
Nope, kulang pa.
What's this button do?
Ah! Hey, there we go.
Ay, open na?
Yep. Sino kumakain ng mic?
Well,
Bye, guys.
Oh, what? What happened?
it's like, um, that's not
Kasi
normal.
yan.
Happy rest of the day.
Tinulak ako para makapasok sa mag-isa. Grabe.
Kuya, nag-swimming ka. Nag-swimming.
Right.
Wala pang 1 feet, nalunod ka na.
Oh, sila yung flashlight?
Alright. Alright, guys. I go
Walang
left. I go
flashlight.
left, you go right.
I go forward.
Okay, forward.
Oh,
I don't know.
Hindi ko tanda.
Ah.
Ay, hindi. Hanapin lang pala yung elevator dito.
Come on, mama ka.
Oh, what? Ang haba naman ng range nun.
I don't know if I remember this or I just remember playing Me-Side.
Oh, yeah.
I might just remember playing Me-Side. You don't remember playing Me-Side?
No, I remember playing Mayside.
Okay.
Di
Iyan,
nagulog yung
nakihulog.
ilaw sa akin!
Tingin.
Uy, mga pabigat. Hello.
ano pa? Bigat ka, kapatay ko lang.
Ah, na 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 na.
Kakamatay ko lang.
Ang search mo muna ako.
What? Yo, wait, chill. Nandito na ako sa elevator.
Ilan na sa'yo?
Pumapasok, nandito ako sa loob ng elevator pero nasa loob. Nasa loob din siya ng elevator.
Stop ng elevator.
O, paano makapasok?
Just get in. Nakatingin na ako
Ito
sa
na,
kanya.
ito na yung elevator.
Nakatingin ako sa kanya, get in.
Itong ganitong elevator. Yeah, I remember this.
Hintayin natin sila. Nya.
Iki. Imagine tumalikod tayo parehas.
Humble! Ayun, sige.
Hindi ako umalis di ako umikot pa. Ikaw yung umikot.
Tumatay ka rin ba? No. Just me? Nah.
Hindi. Ikaw lang.
Alright.
Tumalikod ka na!
Ay.
Oh.
Ang dami dumadaan
we
sa
went
akin.
in a circle.
Yep, we did.
So it's over here.
Uy! Bakit?
On ko na ba?
Oh, yeah,
Didn't do anything. Ba't sumusunod sila?
Titignan mo
Ayoko na.
sila. Shit. Rain, get in. I'm
Where?
looking. You can get in.
Where?
Forward. Go
Oh,
forward.
here?
Yeah, forward.
Oh. Yep.
Oo. Ano ba siya?
Wow.
Looking at you. Alright, alis na tayo. Hindi sila makapunta dito.
Oo.
May wanna, you might wanna.
Didikit sa
Ay,
pader.
si Ren. Ayun.
Let's go.
Pupunta
Alright.
na kami dun eh.
We're gonna hate this.
I think I
Teamwork,
remember this one.
teamwork, teamwork.
Teamwork.
Walang teamwork,
Dito ako sa side na to. Pick a
Walang
side,
teamwork,
pick a
lahat
side.
nagbablock, lahat nagbablock, block lahat, block
Pick a
lahat,
side.
block lahat.
Pick a corner.
Block lahat, block lahat, block lahat, block lahat,
Itong apat, itong apat, itong apat.
block lahat. Wala.
Alright, nasa gitna ka rin.
Anong gagawin?
Yeah.
Microwave.
I'm the adjustment.
Microwave.
Microwave. Oh!
Pero pinipindot mo. Alright.
Yeah.
Nice. Nakita niyo yung kamay sa elevator?
Ako yung manager.
Dun sa pintuan ng elevator nakita niya. Alright, makikita niyo mamaya.
Walang gagalaw, lapit mo.
Sorry. Napausog lang.
Hindi pwede,
Nasa
walang gagalaw.
30, 40.
So gamitin mo yung ano mo. Gamitin mo yung spot mo.
Alright.
Ikaw umihi sa corner mo.
Go!
Ay, ako nakita.
Doy.
So, gusto mo makita kamay na to? Lagi ka sa mukha mo.
No, thank. Nagulat ako sa sound kanina.
Nasa floor 55 na tayo. 56, 58.
Wait, malapit na. Malapit na.
Crazy.
No!
Hindi niyo daw inaya si ate.
Salit pa siya.
6-7.
Oh my god.
Ano episode na ba to?
Tanong ko kasali siya.
Episode
Ano tayo bumalik sa episode?
Yeah, episode 2 na to.
6-7.
Wala sa akin.
Hey, thanks, Rain.
2. Yun nakikita ko yung kamay.
Saan?
Pag tumagal yung pag-switch.
Ang baba ng graphics ng mata ni Jessica.
Hindi na ano ko, hindi na tapos din ang mata ko.
Ayun na, yun na yung kamay. Yun yung kamay, oh.
Yeah, hindi niya nakita. Nice, Ba't parang, alam ko last time matagal yun eh. Siguro kasi walang teamwork.
Kasi yeah, mga
Ilan lang
kupal pa
tayo
yung mga
nun eh.
kasama natin
I
nun eh.
see, I see.
Tapos one-sided lang yung ano eh, nakakagusto nun eh.
Oh, I remember this.
I don't remember this.
Oh, tanda ko
Ito ba yung hospital?
Yep.
Ito yung hospital.
Ay, what is this?
Kailangan natin ng
What's this?
lockpick
Oh no.
para i-open yung mga
Lockpick.
cabinet na maliliit.
Ayun.
Itong mga things.
Lockpick.
See this?
Okay. What?
Yeah, ito to, yung mga ganitong metal na to. Ito.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, tapos yun yung monster. Pag nagting na yan,
Ball!
tatakbo na siya. Then it's too
Pag
late. Pag may tumunog.
Ng doors?
So, oh, dyan.
Kung may
Oo,
tumanog.
natandaan ko, pag namatay ka, tapos may hawak ka dito, kung saan sila namatay, dun may iwan yung gamit.
I'm gonna die. Okay, nag-stop siya. We have to
Mama?
go. Lockpick where? Oh, he's running. He's not running.
Nasa akin.
Ayun, lockpick. Nice. Alright, we have to find toys, tapos talagay natin dito. Oh, somebody got it wrong.
Oh.
May namatay.
Toys talaga.
Shit, nagkamali ako.
6, 7, 8.
Try nyo na mag-open, I think pwede na lahat. Oh,
I'm dead.
somebody died.
Hinahabol ako, di ko napansin sa likod.
Inaayos ko na nga yan, ni tapos. Hindi, ikaw na dyan. Kaya mo na yan.
Tapos na ako.
Oh, may namatay.
I found the base.
May ano eh, tumutunog kanina. Paul. Ikaw mo siya nandiyan. Kasi Crumble may hinulog.
Ano nalagay mo? Ano nakuha mo?
Wala.
Oh, wala pala eh. Nasa likod natin yung ano, monster ba eh.
Di ko ma-open yung mga locker. Di ko ma-open mga locker.
Saan lalagay? Saan lalagay? Saan lalagay? Saan lalagay? Saan lalagay? Saan lalagay?
Uy, mamuka!
Saan lalagay? Saan lalagay? Saan lalagay? Saan lalagay? Saan lalagay? Saan lalagay? Saan lalagay?
Dun
Saan
sa may
lalagay?
bed,
Saan
sa may
lalagay?
bed,
Saan
sa may
lalagay?
bed, sa may bed, sa may bed. Dun sa
Maraming
may
bed, maraming bed, maraming bed, maraming bed, maraming bed, maraming bed, maraming bed, maraming
Dito
bed.
sa, hindi ko alam kung nasan yung room, pero
Sang bed, sang bed, sang bed, sang bed, sang bed.
it's one of the beds.
Rooms?
Yeah,
Just
nasa
go-
room. You live?
Oh!
Oh, na-place ko na yung nakuha mo.
Nice.
Isa na lang?
Ang weird though, kasi naka-open na yung elevator.
Okay, then go.
Oh,
Sino yun?
Ami. Hello.
The way.
Paano ba na-open?
Bruh,
ano
read
ba?
the instructions.
Oh. Something's broken.
Ay.
Na,
Lo! Umiwan niyo ako.
di ko alam kung
You
bakit
get the
naka-opening
instruction step? You tried reading
Hindi ko
step?
nakita. Hindi kasi like malabo.
doon.
Kaya nga tinatanong ko
reading?
yun, anong basa neto eh.
You can read?
We're sideways.
You can read? Wear glasses. You can wear glasses, you know?
Kain ka eh.
Okay, go.
I remember this.
Welcome back.
Alright.
I don't remember this.
Guys, come here to the right. Oh. Saan kayo pumunta?
Stairs!
Ay, nako. It's locked.
Guys, come. Did you go right?
Ah!
I went to
Naglalag ako.
stairs.
Come here.
Yeah.
Yo, naglalag ako. Kailangan natin maghanap
Oh my god, in the back room.
Kailangan natin maghanap ng TV.
Ang isang?
I
Paano
see.
maghanap ng TV?
I-match natin sa...
Oh my god, it's that
Office stalls.
I think nababaliw na si Rain.
Nah.
Office stalls, Rain, are you still there?
Oh, pabigat.
Oh, sumobra ako. Alright, oh, wag na palitan. Stop. Oh my god!
I got the panel one. Is that good? What's the panel thingy? I got a TV with the panel thingy. Did you guys click this? Guys,
Yes.
Dang it.
there's a... You know what? Fuck you.
Sino yun? Sino bukas?
Nice. I'm lagging, I don't know why. I'm lagging. Aww.
Back.
Yeah, I'm lagging. I don't know what you're so afraid of.
I'm the first who's... Uy, monster. Ah, again.
This
I'm
sucks.
the monster.
Oh, there we go. What's happening? Do it. Come on, guys, you can do it.
I'm lagging.
Ano yung wifi talaga?
I have to go back? What do I do?
Ah,
What do I
parang
do?
may stairs, may stairs, may stairs. Yan, 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 yan.
Ah!
Yung may stairs. Puta!
Oh,
Hmm.
she did. Ayos naman. What the heck? Connect ko lang ang LAN cable.
Oh, someone's not here anymore.
Is it me?
Di buhay pa ba? Kayong dalawa magkapatid.
Yeah, hold on. Ano episode to?
Wala sila.
Hindi ko alam.
Hintayin natin.
Tapusin nyo na lang kasi I think last part yan eh.
Ay, andiyan ka, nandito ka.
I'm here though.
Kuya, nag-leave ako.
Bakit?
Naglalag ako.
Ano yung speedrun?
What?
Come on guys, you can do it.
Cheers.
School. Okay na.
Kuya,
Oh,
share screen.
nope, nag-disconnect din ako. Hey!
Friendly neighborhood PC guy.
Hey, ding.
What if I just wait?
Mag-wait ka dyan. Sige, ako mag-trigger.
We need the stairs again.
Ayun na. Naka-open na yung cage.
Yep.
Okay. Ano ka na?
Pa! Wait lang.
Yeah, I'm stuck.
Where?
Ah,
Ah, wait. Oh. Office stalls.
right.
Yan. Oh.
Now what?
It's a remote. Wait for him.
Nasa akin, nasa likod ka! Papunta na ako!
What? Press the button. What button? Press
Probably E.
E.
Okay na! Okay na!
Yeah, turn it up. Ease off.
Yeah!
Alright, kain muna kami.
Alright.
Tapos, episode 2, hindi, 3.
Kailangan. I think we need to go back to the elevator.
Alright.
Ay, dito pala.
Guys, hintayin niyo ako.
Episode 3. Episode 3.
Episode 3.
Alright.